Travel and Fun.
Yes, welcome back to Travel and Fun, and this time it's me, only Deepak Ovia, Anaga giving the voice up background,
I'm shooting the video.
Yes, and she's also shooting the video, she's directing the video. So, yes, so we are into our new genre of videos. Of course, it's not a new genre, we already had this genre, but not this specific genre. So this is more into television, web series reviews and movie reviews. So this is what we can do now as a channel now, because all of us are doing the same thing. We are watching web series, we are watching movies, lots of movies and stuff coming on online streaming platforms like Amazon Prime, Hotstar, Netflix and so on. So we too are doing the same whenever we get time. This will be a new genre of videos, and I hope that we get your complete support on this, and I hope you guys will like it. We'll keep it very short and sturdy, and I won't be disclosing the story, but a very small like element capture of the series as a whole. That's what I will be doing, and in all I'll give you a rating on the basis of my idea, like how I liked it, and you guys can let me know how you felt after watching it. So this time I'm over here about the to give you a review about the much hyped series these days, and it's none other than Patal Lok. So this Patal Lok web series is executively produced by the Bollywood actress Anushka Sharma, and it is available on Amazon Prime Video. So those who are having a subscription can go ahead and watch it right away. So this actually this story is much like your previous web series that we had, like Mirzapur and Family Man. Not the same story, but somewhat it rotates around similar fundamentals. So this Patal Lok is specifically, the name Patal Lok suggests that yes, this is hell, like hell world. That's what the English translation for Patal Lok goes. So actually a beautiful web series based on real life situations these days. That's what, it's not based on true life events also. So we are basically dividing our reviews into 7 categories. So the first category is whether the series is an 18 plus series or not. So yes, Patal Lok is an 18 plus series. So those whoever are less than 18, I would say not to watch it, and above 18, if your family is against it, don't watch it in front of your family. I'm not sure if your family will like it or not. Then our next category is the storyline. So the storyline of this web series basically revolves around a cynical inspector. His daily life, and when unfortunately, like a fortune for him, a huge case comes into his hand, and he is given the opportunity to solve the case of 4 murderers, or a gang of 4 murderers. So this is the storyline, and these murderers are trying to assassinate a media journalist. That's what the storyline is. So the rest of the story I won't disclose it, because then that would be a total break of suspense for you guys. Then the third category is whether what is the basis of this web series. So the basis of this web series is a very general category. It's like daily life. It's not something like on a particular event or something. It's just general. So these are not on true life events or something, not a biopic or something. So this is just a general story, something that could happen in the life of a police inspector, a media journalist, and gangs of assassins. So this is what the storyline is. Talking about the number of episodes and the duration, so this series has a total of 9 episodes, each having a duration of around 40 to 45 minutes. So it's good if you watch it in parts, but people like me, I don't like to watch it in parts. I basically give one stretch, but because of my work life I'm not able to do that, so I finished it in 3 days. But if you sit at a stretch, you can watch it in 7 hours. So you'll have to spend 7 hours of like half of your day for this web series if you watch it at a stretch. Category, well, the category of this web series is for sure drama, because it won't fall into horror or thriller or mystery or romance or something. So this is purely drama, but this, I would say, it's a more thrilling drama, like I would say what Mirzapur was. So if you haven't watched Mirzapur, go ahead and watch that also. If you want me to do a review of Mirzapur, do let me know. There is season 2 coming out very soon. Mirzapur was also an amazing series. Let me know if you want a review of that. The next category that we have divided is the acting category. How the people have acted. So basically, the cynical inspector that we talk about is Hathiram Chaudhary, and then we have the media journalist. He is called Sanjeev Mehra. Yes, and then you have 4 assassins, and among them the most famous one is Vishal Tyagi, also known as Hathoda Tyagi, and their super boss called Master G or Dulania. So these are the basic characters, and the acting from all of them have been super amazing. I really like the acting, very true to life acting. So I would give 5 out of 5 for acting. And the next category is the main character. Who's the main character? So the main character is obviously the Inspector Hathiram Chaudhary, and how his life turns upside down when he is given this huge case all of a sudden out of the blues. And then you have Sanjeev Mehra, the journalist, and the 4 assassins, out of them Vishal Tyagi. So these are the main characters in this web series. And obviously the last category that we have put into is whether the series is worth watching or not. This totally depends on your categorization of a web series or a movie. So for me, I would say it's worth watching, but for some those people who don't like violence or strong language and stuff, so they can put it into not worth watching. But for me, it was worth watching because this is truly into something that's happening really in, at least in a place like India. So yes, worth watching. So if you would like me to rate this web series out of 5, I would give it a 4.5. I've reduced the 0.5 points because of the strong language and the 18 plus content. So this is my review about Patal Lok, and go ahead and watch it, give it a try. If you like to watch it with your friends, it would be amazing, because with friends web series are always amazing. So I hope you guys like the review, and for more such reviews, stay tuned to Travel and Fun, and let me know if you guys liked it, and let me know what more series you want me to review. It could be English, it could be Hindi. There are no Malayalam web series. So English and Hindi web series we do watch. Not all Hindi web series, but some. Whatever we watch, we will give you a review. Okay, so stay tuned for more content from Travel and Fun. Hope you guys like the video. Until then, it's bye from me.